Hello champs, once again you are welcome to our new lesson of the 3D modeling course. So in this lesson we are going to learn about 2D shapes. What is 2D? 2D is like two dimensionals. What is dimensions? Dimensions are like length and breadth of that object. In world we have seen there are too many types of shapes of different length, different width. So what is length and width? We are going to understand this in the next videos whenever we are going to learn about the properties of the shapes. So the first shape we are going to learn is a square. What is a square? A square is when a shape has equal sides. For example, if I show you this object, this is called side. This one is one side, this one is another side. But right now, the side of this is not equal. So this is not an square. This is called rectangle. Okay. So when sides of this any shape is equal, then it is called a square. When opposite sides are equal, then it is called rectangle. Okay. And why we are calling it 2D? Because we can see only the length and breadth. We cannot see the height of this object. Okay. That's why this is called 2D shapes. Now we are going to design these 2D shapes in our software Google Sketchup. Okay, so let's open it. First, I am going to tell you how we can open the Google Sketchup. Okay, so first you have to go in Google. Then you have to search for Google Sketchup. Then click on the first link. Then click on Try SketchUp. Then go to for personal project and click on Start Modeling. Now sign in with your any Google account, and after signing you will see this interface. This interface is of SketchUp, in which you will be able to create new project from here. So you have to simply click on create new, and when you clicked on it, you will see this man. You can just simply remove it by pressing delete key. Okay, now we are going to create a square and then a rectangle. How we can create it? You have to just go to here. You have to choose this icon. You have to click on this rectangle shape icon. By clicking on this, you can find this one first option called rectangle. You have to just click on rectangle. After clicking on it, you can go to the origin. Just single click on the mouse and drag it. So a box has been created. Okay. At right corner, you can see the length and breadth. It is of 86 centimeter and 86 centimeter. Means all the sides are equal, and like you can create a square. So simple. But right now, if you see from the bottom, there is no any height. Okay, this contains only the length and breadth. That's why this is a 2D shape. Okay, similarly, what we are going to do, we are going to create one rectangle. What is rectangle? Rectangle is the shape which has opposite sides equal, not all sides. Okay, so how we can create a rectangle? We have to just go to the origin, okay, and drag, and like this you can create a rectangle. Now I have created one rectangle over there. Okay, and what is the dimensions of this? The dimensions of this is 353.1 centimeter, 192.3 centimeter. Okay, now it's your turn to create one square and rectangle, and you have to share your project with us in the bottom link. Bye bye. Have a nice day.